Scania is known as a manufacturer of efficient premium trucks, parts and services. But the company is much more than that. It is also a part of redefining and shaping the logistics landscape of the future. LOTS Group is an independent company started by Scania that is an example of this. LOTS provides next-generation logistics services for large industrial clients who have similar transportation needs to Scania. The operating principle of LOTS is based on a transparent and a holistic view of different existing actors in logistics value systems, where transport is a large cost of production. The origin of LOTS came from the realization that there is far more waste and efficiency gains to be achieved in the larger logistics systems than in the internal combustion engine and in the economy of truck ownership, which up to now has been the traditional focus of the Scania business. That's why LOTS is focused on reducing waste in the system and making logistics systems more economical and sustainable. These are especially important because of the external challenges such as climate change and changes in technologies and resource availability. LOTS works with the existing actors in the logistics systems. These include transport buyers and their various clients, transport companies, and transport equipment manufacturers, such as Scania itself. The overall value is to enable more efficient, profitable, and sustainable logistics, using a holistic perspective applied on the business models of specific transport clients in sectors such as forestry, mining, and agriculture. The LOTS offering consists of consulting and operations. Their offering focuses on hidden waste identification, improvement of existing flows, and also the design of flows for greenfield operations. LOTS is built on Scania's lean and modular approaches to product development and production, combined with its understanding of ground transportation. More specifically, LOTS offers transport management, physical layout, balancing of capacity, visual management, optimization of uptime and flexibility, pool planning, and others. LOTS enables different values to be created for and with different logistics actors. It has a benefit-sharing business model in which other actors share parts of the system improvements. Co-created and shared benefits for all stakeholders include reduced total operations costs through waste elimination, better interaction among actors, risk and work sharing, improved profitability, and better economic, social, and environmental sustainability. For transport providers, LOTS enables better operating economies, long-term partnerships, and capability development, and nourishing of local businesses in different areas. For the buyers of transport, LOTS enables elimination of waste created by sub-optimization of organizational silos. It also offers a peace of mind regarding safety and compliance in challenging geographies, and also reduction of operations cost and lead time, and more sustainable logistics flows. For Scania, LOTS is a new business that is independent, but that implements its know-how through service offering to generate profit and economic sustainability. LOTS is an example of how a traditional products and services company is piloting new and more system-based business models and technology ideas.
The most important step was when we changed our mindset from an inside-out view of being a manufacturer to an outside-in view of more customer-concentric way of looking at the business. We stated, for example, that a profitable customer will make Scania profitable. And this way of thinking very much outside-in was very new for Scania. Secondly, we started to look at flows. And being a manufacturer of trucks, we are also a purchaser of transport. So we have this whole entire value chain from the outside-in perspective. And when we analyzed that flow, we could see that there were a lot of waste in that flow. So we decided to look into more industry verticals and see if we could discover that kind of similar waste in other areas, like mining, forestry, and so on. And when we did that, the scenario analysis and modularing of flow was a very, very important way of working, and methods and tools that helped us very much. And thirdly, it was when we took the decision to actually start to work differently by ourselves. We started to change our way of purchasing transport. And the way we did it, we managed to reduce our transport cost by 16% in a business there. The average EBIT for our transporters are 2-3%, was because we changed our way of working. And that was the starting point for us to decide that maybe we could start up a new business area. And that business area ended up being Lots. The main challenges has been to convince the core organization to do this journey, to extend the business area. It's not obvious for everyone when the company starts to integrate forward. It could be questioned not only by the company, but also by our customers. And that was the second challenge, to really involve and also work together with our customers when we started to integrate forward. And the third thing that was very, very challenging, this business we are doing is actually to do a change journey, drive change. And drive change takes time. So you have to be patient and don't expect results too fast. My advice, if you start a new business area, is to make sure that it's isolated from the core and protected. It's not possible to integrate it or have it half integrated. Then the line functions slow down the speed, or vetoes put stops on initiatives and so on. Make sure it's very isolated. And when you start, don't hide behind the scene. Be very clear what you're planning to do, and also start to do storytelling. Make a storytelling what value add you do and how you improve the business, how you take away the waste, for example, and how you share it in between all stakeholders. That is very important, to be transparent, make a storytelling, and don't hide behind the scene.